Hey everyone! Struggling with procrastination? You're not alone. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, 20% of adults are chronic procrastinators. So, how can we beat it? Let's dive into some expert tips. First up, break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Research from Princeton University shows that setting mini deadlines can significantly boost productivity and reduce stress. Next, try the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This technique helps to eliminate trivial tasks that build up and drain your energy. Another tip, use a timer. The Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, can keep you focused and fresh. According to a study in the Journal of Applied Psychology, this method can increase productivity by up to 25%. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a moment to prioritize. Write down your tasks and rank them by importance. This simple act can help clear your mind and give you a clear plan of action. Finally, don't forget to reward yourself. After completing a task, take a short break or treat yourself. Positive reinforcement can build momentum and make tackling the next task easier. Got any personal tips or struggles with procrastination? Share them in the comments below. And for free advice, ask Amelia at One Dreaming Bear. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content to help you stay on top of your game. See you in the next video.